everybody, good evening. It's Desiree again here. Right now, I'm gonna show you guys how to cook Filipino adobo in a simple way. I think it's just 5 minutes to prepare it, and then we're gonna use our instant pot again. Okay? So we have a garlic here and onion. I use the whole onion. It's just a medium size. Okay? And then I think I want garlicky flavor, so I use 5 cloves of garlic. And then we have vinegar or suka, just half cup, and 1 cup of soy sauce. And then I have a sugar here. This is our secret, but I'm gonna tell you guys now, okay? And then I have 2.5 pounds of chicken here. I have chicken thigh. You can use anything. If you want to use the pork too, and or half chicken, you can do that as well. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna use our Instant Pot. I'm gonna put the chicken. I'm gonna put my garlic and the onion, and then I'll put the suka or the vinegar. And I'm gonna put the soy sauce. I usually put the water if I'm using regular soap, but we're using Instant Pot, so we don't need the water. And then the sugar. So we'll stir it first. This is how it looks like now, guys. Okay. Voila! It's done! Okay, we'll put it in the Instant Pot. Okay, so I'm gonna use pressure cook. I'll just cook it for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. And 15 minutes. We'll wait, and then I'll show you guys later after. Okay, I'll see you later. So hi guys, welcome back. Our timer is done. So before you open your Instant Pot, make sure you release the pressure first, okay? So release it. Welcome back, guys. So make sure no more singaw or paper, okay? Before you open your Instant Pot. There we go. So there is still lots of water on it, but some of the Filipino doesn't like lots of soup. Okay, so this is edible now. Okay, but if you want a little bit dry, you can turn on your what you call this broth or soup, and then you can start waiting for like to dry or evaporate the water on it. Okay, so this time I'm gonna wait because my sister doesn't like lots of soup on it, so I'm gonna make it a little bit dry. Okay, we'll be right back. It's like we'll just put it on 15 minutes again. Hi guys, so look at our adobo now. Less soup, right? There you go. And let's try it. This is our finished product, guys. Okay, so hope you enjoy our video again. Some of the Filipinos, some of the people wants to put bay leaves on it for the adobo. I prefer. I don't want the bay leaves on it. But if you guys want, yes, you can still put it. And then if you want more pepper as well, you can put more. It depends how you like it. And then, yeah, enjoy. Bye.
Adobo, wee.
Adobo,
wee.